we have to find value y that makes A and B parallel. So because we have here consecutive interior angles, so we will use consecutive interior angles converse if two lines are cut by a transversal. This is our transversal. So the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So we will have by consecutive interior angles converse that measure of angle 1 35 degrees plus measure of angles we have 6y plus 3 degrees is 118 degrees. So let's forget about degrees. So we have 135 plus 6y plus 3 is equal 180. So now I will combine the like terms. We have 6y is equal 180 minus 135 plus 3, so is 138. So we have that 6y is equal 42. So we have that y is equal 7. So for y equals 7, our lines A and B are parallel. This is my solution.